Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty. We've partnered up with our brand friend Pine Ridge, so there's nothing better I would want to cook with this than shrimp scampi with linguine and white wine. So let's get cooking. Let's start our shrimp scampi linguine with our shrimp on to the griddle in a little bit of olive oil. I've already peeled these shrimp. To that, we're gonna season with the Blackstone Tuscan Herb and a dab of butter. Now, I don't want these to overcook, so I'm not gonna let them cook completely, just for a minute or two per side. Then I'm gonna slide them off to the left of my griddle where my burner is off. Into all that leftover butter and olive oil, we're going to drop down some cherry tomatoes and allow them to begin to blister. Once our tomatoes start to blister, I'm going to use my spatula, smash them down some, then add all of the things that go into a shrimp scampi. We've got butter, lemon, salt, pepper, and zhuzhing it up with the Blackstone Tuscan Herb.
And garlic.
And garlic. Of course we need garlic. And of course it wouldn't be shrimp scampi without wine. I've got my Pine Ridge white blend. We'll add that to the party. Let it start to bubble up. This is where our sauce is starting to build. I've got 1 pound of linguine that I've cooked to al dente. Adding that to our griddle. Be sure, whenever you're cooking pasta, to reserve some of that starchy pasta water. That's going to help our wine and our butter and olive oil build this sauce. Now we can add our shrimp back to the pasta, get everything mixed together. 30 seconds before it's done, go over the top with Parmesan cheese, a little more Tuscan herb if you want, some butter, and that's it. Now you can get into this family style. I am so excited for this. Nothing makes me happier than a nice glass of wine. And of course, pasta. I'm telling you, you have to try this. Grab yourself a bottle of Pine Ridge. It really levels up your shrimp scampi, the garlic, the shrimp, the tomatoes that release all their juices, everything together. This is the perfect pasta dish paired with the perfect wine. Take it, make it. I want to see a picture, so send me one. Until next time, I'm Blackstone Betty, and I cannot wait to go eat this pasta and see you in the next video.